Hey there, welcome to saurabhbhatnagar.com, and this tutorial is about Facebook's new update in which you can create your audience as per Facebook lead ad engagement. This means that if you are running a lead ad and a person opens your ad but he does not submit his email ID, but the person has opened your ad, so now you can include that particular person in your custom audience. Now, for those who don't know what a lead ad is, I will just give a very little info. A lead ad is a new type of ad form. I won't call it new because it has been more than around 1 year since it has been launched, but it is an ad form in which it looks like a normal ad, but when the user clicks on it, then the information is pre-filled. For example, I just created this demo ad, and you can see that now when someone will click on this ad, then your name as well as your email ID will be auto filled, and the user will not be asked to visit a landing page and visit all the things in the landing page, but you will get the user's email ID and whatever information you like just by clicking just one single button. So this was a very hyped product by Facebook, and okay, I will come to my personal engagement about lead ads at the end of the video. Right now in this tutorial, I will teach you how you can use Facebook lead ads engagement. So right now you will go to your audience tab inside Power Editor, and what you will do, you will click on create audience, and over here you will click on custom audience. Now this automatic pop-up will come up, and this time what you will do, for some of you this thing would be new, this time you will click on engagement on Facebook. As you can see that this is a new option, so you will click on engagement on Facebook, and now it will give you two options, one video and second lead ad. So in this video I will focus only on the lead ad. So now we will click on lead ad, and you will see that it will ask you to select your lead form, which lead form you want to select, and as you can see that uh, I have tested a few lead forms, and I got few cheap leads with the lead ad. The thing is, in the lead ad, in the publishing tools, the leads are not stored for more than 90 days. So for one of my campaign, it was a study abroad campaign for Singapore and Malaysia. I got around 70 to 80 leads, but I found that the kind of leads which I was getting through lead ads was not very much effective, was not very much genuine. So this is my personal feedback. I don't know about others. Yes, I know about a few marketers in my circle, and they also reported the same for their particular niche, that they tested lead ad and they also did not get the same kind of result which they were expecting, and they got the same kind of result which I got. So the leads were not very much genuine, but again this is a very advanced form, and I guess, but in fact I believe that the lead ad would be working very well for some of the marketers, and so never you can disregard any product, and at least you can never disregard any product which is by Facebook. So I guess it would be working well for some of the marketers in their particular niche, but it did not go quite well in my niche, but I never stopped trying. And now via this update, the custom lead ad engagement, now see what will happen in this update. You will select your lead form. After this, you will have the option to select the kind of audience which you want in your custom audience. For example, anyone who opened this form. Okay, second is people who opened but did not submit, and third is people who opened and submitted form. Now the people who opened and submitted, you already have the email ID, and you can remarket them via any source because you already have the email ID and they already have your trust. Alright. and the people who did not submit, now these are the people whom you would like to target. All, I don't know, it completely depends upon your campaign, but maybe those who also submitted the email ID you would like to target via your remarketing campaign to those as well, but it completely depends upon you. But the Facebook is giving you the option to remarket to those submitted who did not submit the email ID, but yes, they opened the ad. Now the thing is that they were interacting with your ad, so which means that yes, they were interested in your product, but due to some reason, just the lack of that last minute instinct, last second instinct, they did not submit. So remarketing to them can be of great advantage, right? uh, you can store the audience for 90 days, and you can give it a name. Now, if I talk about myself, why do I think that lead ads is not working as well as it should be? Because as you can see, the procedure is very simple. We are getting the leads at a very cheap price, and also we are getting the leads without the user has to do a lot of hard work. But all he has to do is just click a button. But I believe that why it is not doing pretty well is because when a user, I will compare it to the landing page. When a user goes to my landing page, what happens is he sees the complete engagement, he sees my video there, he sees my testimonials there, he sees everything which is present on my landing page, and because of which the impression goes into the mind of the person, and the person who submits his email ID at that point after seeing my landing page, he will definitely remember me, my brand. But the one who just got a lead ad and the information was pre-filled and he just submitted, he did not even know what is going to happen, because this is a new ad for us as marketers, but also as for the user. So he also don't know that what is happening. He said okay, just submit, and boom, nothing happened. So I still believe that if I am driving the person to my landing page and then I am submitting his email ID and then I am remarketing him, I guess still that is the better option. But again, as I said, that lead ad would be working pretty well for some audience, so for some people. In fact, it can do well in a way if a person knows you, he knows your brand, and he knows that Saurabh Bhatnagar is someone, or maybe your brand, whatever brand it is, he knows your brand, and then you are using that, your brand name, your brand signature, your brand logo in your lead ad. But for that, the person needs to know, has to know what your brand is, and then the person is, for example, if I talk about myself, if I am giving a free ebook, let's say, with my name, and the person already knows me, so then it becomes quite relevant that the person already knows me, he has been to my website a few times, and he has seen my videos, he knows me, and then he sees my ebook with my logo, then he remembers me, then he will remember me, and I can automatically market him, because uh, remarketing to that audience who knows me through lead ad will automatically give me much cheaper results as per then asking him to go to my landing page. I know it is quite theoretical, but I guess this will do well. Uh, and I haven't tested it yet, but yes, I believe that this will do well because the person already knows me, so I can remarket to him with the lead ad. But I won't show my lead ad to any unknown person, and I would expect that the person will remember me for a long time. No, this is not gonna happen. And the theory is simple because the person has not visited your landing page. So the impression, the visuals are not in his subconscious mind. And until and unless the visuals are not in your subconscious mind, you don't remember the person, you don't remember the brand. That is quite true for every piece of marketing. So this is the new Facebook custom lead ad engagement, and you can try, you can give it a try, and I hope whatever niche in which you are working, I hope it will do well for you, and I hope that you will give a comment below this video and you will prove me wrong that yes, lead ad is working for you, so that it works as a motivation for me as well, that yes, I will again try, give it a try one more time. So this is it for this tutorial, and uh, you can visit my website. It is saurabhbhatnagar.com. I will open it once again. This is saurabhbhatnagar.com. You can visit my website, and you can become a VIP member by submitting your name and email ID. I share my internet marketing secrets here to my VIP audience, so I guess that would be beneficial for you as well. So this is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Alright, bye bye.